Fanyil Air Conditioner is marketed as a compact portable cooling device that promises to keep you comfortable while using less energy than a traditional air conditioner. The ads often make it look like it can cool an entire room, but the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, portable personal air coolers are a legitimate product category and can provide localized cooling when used under the right conditions. What it does well: personal cooling. It can help cool the area directly in front of you, making it useful for a desk, bedside table, or small workspace. Portable design. Its compact size makes it easy to move between rooms or take on the go, where the hype falls apart. It's not a real air conditioner. Most portable units like this are evaporative air coolers, not compressor-based air conditioners. It won't cool an entire room. The cooling effect is usually limited to the area close to the device. Performance depends on the climate. Evaporative coolers generally work better in dry environments and are less effective in humid conditions. So, should you buy the Fanyil Air Conditioner? Short answer: maybe, if you understand what it is. If you want a small personal cooling device for your desk or bedside, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting it to replace a traditional air conditioner, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.